I'm back, and today we're making chicken bacon alfredo stuffed lasagna rolls. I know it's a long ass name, but first you want to clean your meat. While I waited for that to be done, I started heating up the water for the noodles, and as it heated up and started boiling, I added them in. After I was done cleaning the chicken, I then seasoned it. These are my preferred choices of seasoning. You can use whatever you'd like. Then I heated up a pan with some olive oil in it to start frying the chicken. Once the chicken was done, I placed it on a cutting board and diced that bitch up. For the sauce, I used minced garlic, shallot, threw it in a pan with some butter, let it saute, added some spinach, a cup of heavy whipping cream, half a cup of cheese, mozzarella and Parmesan specifically. Then I mixed it in real good until it started looking a little thick, okay? Next, once again, this is an infused dish, so I did add my THC drops. Go get you some, link in my bio, discount code 2. With everything done, I began prepping, so I put some cheese sauce on the bottom. I did end up making 2 batches because obviously I needed some to pour on top, but they should look like this as you prep, and then you just roll them up. After they're all set in the pan, you drizzle the cheese sauce on top. I then added some more mozzarella on the top of it, and then, I threw that bitch in the fucking oven. 350 degrees for 15 minutes, 5 minutes on broil. It should come out looking like this. This shit was so cheesy. It was so good. It was so bomb. I then also added some garlic bread. Can't go wrong with that. This is the inside. This is how it should look. And then bon appetit.